To our channel. In this guide, I'll walk you through the steps on how to download apps on Chromebook. To download apps on Chromebook, you could follow these steps. To download apps on Chromebook, you'll need to use Google Play Store if it's enabled on your device, or the Chrome Web Store as well. If you have a Google Play Store, then it's simple as how you do it how you install the application onto your mobile device. So for this, you want to come to this icon at the bottom of the page, and then on the search box, you simply want to type in Play Store. After you actually do it, so you could go ahead and make sure to open your shelf, or you could open it up, and then you could go ahead and look for the application that you want to install. Click on the install button and you'll have successfully made it so. So this is how you could do it so. Now let's see if you've not enabled your Google Play Store. If your Chromebook does not have a Google Play Store enabled, you'll need to enable it first. So go to the quick settings panel, bottom right of your screen or bottom left of your screen. You want to click on settings icon, scroll down and find Play Store and click on turn on. After which, accept the terms and condition and you'll have successfully enabled it, and then you could go ahead and install the applications. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.